Number 10. The Frying Planet. Also nicknamed Icarus, the planet Kepler 70b has found its orbit very close to the Sun. The nickname was due to the famous Greek story of a boy named Icarus flying too close to the Sun with artificial wings. Temperatures here have been recorded to a maximum of a blistering 7,100 degrees Kelvin, almost as hot as our Sun itself. It is so close to its star that it orbits in only 5.7 hours. Number 9. The Pulsar Planet. This is the first planet found to be placed into this rare class of planets which orbit pulsars. The reason this is so interesting is because pulsars are formed in the cataclysmic explosions of old stars termed as supernova. This makes it impossible for any planet orbiting the star to survive, but this particular one did. This mysterious planet is now nicknamed a planetary zombie. Number 8. The Speedy Planet. These seemingly random letters and numbers are actually used to identify a rather bizarre planet. It is one of the very few planets discovered orbiting a pulsar in just 2.2 hours. It is almost 80 times as close to the pulsar as Mercury is to our Sun. The pulsar itself completes 10,000 rotations per minute. Number 7. Osiris. Osiris is 10 times closer to its star than Mercury is to the Sun, but due to this, the planet is very strange. It's classified as a hot Jupiter because it scorches under immense temperatures. The atmosphere leaks out of the planet, leaving a spiraling trail of gases behind. It has been named after the Egyptian god of the dead, Osiris. Only 5 times the mass of the Earth and is surrounded by a layer of water. The depth of the water is a quarter of the planet's radius, making the average depth hundreds of thousands of times deeper than any point underwater on Earth. Since the planet is at a suitable distance from the star, it could as well harbor life. Number 5. The strongest planet discovered. This planet was the first one discovered orbiting a sun-like star. It is another hot Jupiter as it orbits very close to its star in only 4 days. The main cause of the discovery of this planet is that its gravity seemed to pull on the star as it spun around it, causing the star to wobble periodically. Don't forget to carry a sturdy umbrella when you visit this planet, since it rains liquid iron. Yes, liquid iron. Number 4. The planet amongst 4 stars. Everyone enjoys watching the sunset at dusk, but what if you could enjoy these moments 4 times a day? The planet Kepler 64b seems to be an ordinary planet orbiting 2 stars once every 140 days, which is quite common. But there are 2 other stars that stretch the orbit of this planet. So if you are living on this planet, you'll witness 4 sunrises and sunsets in a day. Number 3. A starless planet. This planet was one of the first rogue planets to be discovered. Such planets were kicked out of the planetary system while they were forming and the stars were young. It was probably due to the gravity of a bigger planet that pulled this one out of its orbit. These lost worlds can have surface temperatures plummet all the way down to absolute zero. Number 2. The darkest planet. This planet is another gas giant that is baked by its star at around 1000 degrees Celsius. But what makes this planet strange is its close resemblance to a black hole. The planet in question seems to have many unknown substances in the atmosphere that seem to have the abilities of trapping light, like a black hole. Number 1. Diamond World. This planet is placed into another class of planets called Carbon World, which is quite a common class. What is intriguing about this planet is the immense pressure created by the atmosphere, which has compressed the carbon into diamond. Now, there is as much diamond on this planet as 3 times the mass of Earth. What a fortune!